Hello, welcome to Life on Pig Row, and it's a glorious sunny spring day, and today I'm going to show you how to sow sweet corn in toilet rolls. If you enjoy our films and our shorts, don't forget to subscribe. So we start with a 6-cell tray, and we just need our toilet rolls for this. In they go like so. And recently we've shown you how to set up a cheap make-do potting bench. And this is literally how you fill them, but if you want to see how to make a potting bench, go to our channel and you can see it in our shorts. I love this. It's like being back at school when you used to play in the sandpit before bills and all that kind of stuff. We had to worry. There we go. And the reason I fill the trays as well is for a bit of stability for the toilet rolls, but also for the root run. Because what we'll do now is just gently tease it up like so. There you go. And it means there's a gap underneath now and the roots can get out. And that's it. That's how we fill our tray. We're sowing sweet corn swift. We've been recommended this as a fast growing sweet corn. And that's what sweet corn seed looks like. It looks really, really sad. But, you know, once the water gets to it, it starts to grow. That's what it looks like. Sure enough, it does look like the kernels on a sweet corn, because that's what sweet corn is. It's packed full of seed. And all we do, take our finger, dip a hole, and there we go. We want to be 2.5 times the depth of the seed, the size of the seed. That's how we work at it. And the reason we have toilet rolls is because sweet corn needs a long root run. Think about how tall it is. We want to get nice roots on it. There we go. There's our sweet corn done. And you can hear behind me at the moment a big bumblebee. So what we're going to do now is put it in the label, and so. And that's it. And you can still hear the bumblebee bumbling around. It's flowing in. They always fly in. So now I'm going to give her good water. So until next time, it's goodbye from me, Andrew at Life on Pig Row. Bye bye.